Managing Director of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, Amar Sweeney, says the investment in education accounts for the majority of the resources deployed through the Basic Needs Trust Fund, the BNTF. The program is financed by the Caribbean Development Bank, the CDB. It covers 5 target areas: education and human resource development, access to drainage, water and sanitization systems, health and livelihood enhancement. Speaking at a recent JIS think tank, Mr. Sweeney explains that the organization has, over the last 20 years, sought to focus on access to social amenities like roads and water. However, education has been key.
We've also expanded into a number of social services, and our scholarship, our tertiary scholarships program has been tremendously successful, and the success stories of the individuals who have benefited is just heartwarming. We've really just been able, I think, to cover a wide area of specific vulnerabilities that normally, I call them the little gaps and the crevices where support is not normally there, and that's been a hallmark of this program.
He says JSIF also forms a partnership with institutions to sustain the initial support.
One of the things we do with this program, we never really just go in as JSIF alone. Okay, we also have to build capacity of the person who is going to be supporting the program. So if we were to give scholarships to MICO students, for example, we don't just make a call to MICO and say, hey, give us some students. We actually engage the department that normally deals with student assistance, and we would ensure that they have the sort of systems in place to ensure that they can track the students, ensure their success, so that even after the resources have left, there's some capacity there to continue on.
According to Mr. Sweeney, under the portfolio of education, where more than 50% of the projects have gone, about 58% of that total resources received are used to construct classroom spaces.